In this video, we'll be discussing verification of work. The first thing that you should do is verify that the panel board was built to the customer specifications. This is done by looking at the breaker layout and confirming that everything is in place per the breaker layout. The second item is to confirm that all connections are at the proper torque per the specifications found in the instruction manuals that ship with the product. And the third item is to perform a Megger test on the job site to confirm that the panel board is free of construction debris.